Hello, and we're going to do what I wanted to show you last time with subgroups, but this time we're actually going to use a database that's relevant. So I opened up that. You can just press the button, and I'm waiting for it to load. You also want to have Notebook open up. That's a good idea. Just ignore this, okay? Yeah, ignore this part. Whatever. Okay, ignore that. Okay, so let's open up the file. Type in your server. Go to Biz, stands for business. Oh, okay. I probably had it. There we go. You can even open up Word, just a notepad or anything really, because it's easier to copy and paste onto it rather than writing. Anyway, so you go to groups. This is what I'm currently working on, my project. Waiting. Yeah, it's a large database. There's like, how many? 18,000 or something? 89,000, I don't know, really big. Like thousands of businesses in here. Yeah. So while we're waiting, I guess I'll just tell you a little bit about the company. The company is a really good place to work in, very chill. There's a bathroom, you get breaks, so it's here. Well, it's a very chill place to work. I totally recommend working here. Anyway, what I'm working on is, you go to GTA Business 2015, and I'm sorting the businesses by industry. So I've already done A and B are already done, I'm pretty sure. B, I did B. So just sorting based on what the industry does. For example, beekeepers, wholesale, we have all the contacts here. If we want to send promos to them, yeah. So right now I'm working on C. I just finished clubs. Now for someone else did computers and equipment dealers, so I'll just write that here. Computer, or actually, to be faster, I can just click this and then copy and paste that, just to be faster. Yeah, so that's just where I'm gonna end off right now when I show you, or like, so I don't redo this section. So from clubs, in between this gap, okay? You want to go systematically, but someone already did this part, like from the bottom. You get what I mean. Whatever. So I'm gonna go to all the top tab, view contacts within group, and the last one was clubs that was done. So I'm gonna go, yeah, so you're gonna sort this to make sure it's alphabetical order. Yep, alphabetical order, there we go. Yeah, clubs, there we go. So I was after clubs. We're going to make subgroups of each of these. So we're going to go to edit mode. This is the fastest way. Copy, paste all the names of all the, so it's easier to press enter than paste, enter. Coated fabrics, just of all the companies. And coating protective. Okay. Manufacturers, coating protective wholesale. COVID and ice, what we want to do, just copy paste this part. Coffee and tea. Oops. Coffee and tea. Coffee tea wholesale. These are pretty much similar, so you don't have to put it in different, see, manufacturing, same thing. But because there's so many of them, I'll do it for now, and then maybe we can all put it under one category, which is coffee and tea. You'll see what I mean later. Brewing devices, coffee shops, so much coffee, And these are all in the GTA, by the way. Alright, coil fins. We're going up to computers. This is going to be a long video. Maybe I'll stop before we even get there. Quickly. Okay, yeah, I think I'll just stop here. But notice that once we hit, yeah, we haven't hit, so yeah, we still have more to do, but I'll just stop there for now. Go to groups. Okay. We're going to go to GTA business by industry, C. We're going to make a subgroup, new subgroup, and we're going to copy and paste these. So copy, paste, click this again, another subgroup, new subgroup, copy, paste, new subgroup, coded, that works. Okay. Okay. Notice how these are pretty much the same thing, right? So I'm just going to make a subgroup calling it codings, alright? And in the codings group, what is it? Codings, I'm going to make a new subgroup of the codings, and I'm going to say coding protective manufacturing, and another subgroup of coding here. Let's see this. So now we have two subgroups of a subgroup. Now it looks more organized. Go back to C, new subgroup, new subgroup, coffee and tea, on this video. Oh well, you watch videos all day, doesn't matter. Some people do watch videos all day. This is kind of a tedious process. That's okay, because at least we're sitting down, right? I'm really thankful for this job. I really like challenges and learning how to more efficiently do stuff, because I really like doing things quickly, because, you know, maybe it's part of the laziness that I don't want to type things more, copy and pasting on my best friends. Okay, now let me show you something. Coffee. Do you notice a pattern between coffee and tea, coffee and blah 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 blah? So why don't we just put the entire thing in this category, coffee and tea? You know, close enough. Maybe we'll just call it coffee slash tea. Yeah, that makes sense. So I'm gonna go coffee slash tea. Okay. So, and I'm going to make all of these a subgroup of this one. So if I just point my arrow towards that, yes. See, now that's a subgroup of that. Point it, yep. Point it up. And use the enter key to be faster. Copy, boom. So now it's all organized. Organization is key when you have so much data, just to keep everything organized. Now, as the next step, I go here, view contacts within group. And what was it? We see clutches. So I'm going to go back to clutches. See, there's 89,125 in this database. Oh, get off edit mode. Clutches. Oops. Where's C? Okay, getting close. Clinics. Clinics. Clocks. Closets. Clothing. Hello there. I was being nice because I had stopped working properly, and I edited that part out for you so you don't have to waste your time watching me being angry. Anyway, let's go back and look for clutches. Clubs. There we go, clutches. So I'm going to select both of them. Oops. Select, yeah. Right click, add contacts to group. Have my finger on the enter key so it's faster. go to by industry, C, and look for clutches. Let's see, clocks, clutches, right there. So I'm going to press that, press OK, enter. Oh my god, I don't know what happened, whatever. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Now since there's only one in this category, it's a little bit different. So once I find it after clutches, there, this one. Now if I press OK, it's not actually in here yet, so I have to press this button, or I have to double click it. So I can double click it. Now when I see here, now I can press OK. Otherwise it won't show up. I've learned that the hard way. Anyway, so we're going to add that. Go industry, coated fabrics, enter. And once you get the hang of it, you'll get really fast. Coating and engraving, industry C, coating, okay, coating protective, add contacts to group, oops, general industry C, okay, coated protectives. So I went here, coated protective manufacturer, contacts to group, industry C, coated protectives, and this thing. It's a bit different because it's C, COBIT. So I find it easier just to memorize the name so I don't have to keep glancing at it, and also it's much faster that way. So coffee and tea, contacts to group, C, coffee and tea, oopsie. Oh well, that's okay. That's okay, it was going to end up there anyway. That's why you should be very careful where you click, because then you might end up in the wrong group, and then you'll have to delete the group and start again. Contacts to group. If you don't want to watch me do this, you can fast forward till I don't know when, but let's see how fast it is. I like to race myself, so look at the time and see, challenge myself. You know, how fast can I do it? Can I do all of this in the next 5 minutes? You know, and then it's fun that way too, right? So let's see if I can do this in 30 seconds. Finish this entire thing. Yeah, just set goals for yourself, and then it's also fun work. I think you have, no, I don't even think, I know you have to consider work fun. You have to be excited, enthusiastic for work, because if you're not enthusiastic, and then you're just going to be like, oh, how many hours until I get to go home, you know? If you're enthusiastic and you're excited to be there and you're happy to be there, time goes by so much faster, and working doesn't seem like working, it seems like fun. So yeah, I highly recommend, do not count the hours until you have to leave. Have fun, make work fun, and take breaks if you need them, just to, you know, you're going to perform better too if you are happy, you know? You're going to want to work faster, you're going to want to excited to learn new things, to encounter new challenges. Just, yeah, I'm like, snap. See, that's what I did. I got into the habit of just pressing enter, and let me show you what happened. It's not in there. Coils, fin, if I go there, look, nothing's added in there. Nothing. In the groups, nothing's added, so I have to, now it's there. Coils, fin, now it will be there. Yep. So, this is the last one, I believe. Nope, we have one more after this. Yep. See, I was having so much fun challenging myself and doing what I liked, and it's almost time for me to go. and I don't want to go because I'm having fun. I want to finish this project because I started it and I want to see it through. So coin bill, okay, and that's a wrap. And when I go to groups, the last step here is, well, I like to do this at the very end, maybe when I'm done the entire category, is just to, where am I? So now we see that this has 94 contacts, this has 23 contacts, yeah, all of that. That has 94 contacts, oopsie, that's okay. Alright, whatever. So those have that many contacts, that's okay. And the last step is, like here, we have one contact, right in brackets, 1. And the fastest way to do this, I think, is just to copy paste the space too. And when I go here, different section, maybe coated fabrics, it has 2 contacts, so I copy and I paste this, and then I just have to change the number. So then I don't have to type in the brackets again, you know? Just faster that way. And clocks, it's better to go systematically, but I'm just showing you this 11 here. At the bottom it shows you right here. So add 1. And yeah, just continue doing that, and it should look like something like this, where it has all the brackets, and 30 here, 30 contacts. Yep. Thank you for watching.